Hello everyone, I'm Jen of Jen Crafts. Welcome back to my channel. It is now my monthly what I crocheted in blank video. So this time we are showing off September makes. So let me explain to you what happened in September. I was mostly making a big project, which is another hexagon cardigan, to no surprise, but I kind of got distracted a little bit and I wanted to do small projects. So one of the big small projects I made was cat beanies. So I have a picture of myself and my friends all wearing the ones that I made. So I know I posted a couple of those in the August makes, but I also made a couple in September. So including those that I made for my friends and my fiance, I have one more that I did make for another friend, which I have not given to him yet. So I don't see him that often, unfortunately. Our schedules have been colliding with our group hangouts, so hopefully we'll see him soon. That one was just a nice simple blue and black one. So then after that, I think this was the last cat beanie I made, and I took a little break. This is like a nice like foresty color. I wanted to use I haven't really used any of these colors in a project before, so I wanted to make some, I don't know, I guess this is like forest colors and makes you think of like a woodland fairy, I don't know, but as a cat beanie. So I also have a tutorial of how to make a cat beanie on my channel. I will put a I'll put the video in the description if you're interested in wondering on how to make them. It's a very simple pattern. I can't believe how simple it is. So then school started and I was crocheting less. I was mostly trying to focus on my cardigan, my hexagon cardigan that I wanted to wear actually this coming weekend. But unfortunately, I don't think I will be able to finish, but I did kind of make a hat for it. So I started making beanies, like actual just regular ribbed beanies that I'm noticing that a lot of people are wearing. So this is the first one I made. It's made for a giant. I made it way too big. It's so big. It's bigger than my freaking head. I clearly miscounted. I just wanted to include this because I don't know why sometimes they're just so hard to make. I think it's just the measurement part. It's just so funny that I just made this for a giant. My head is not big at all. Oh, okay. I'm tired. Schoolwork has been rough lately, so I wanted to get this out of the way. So now, here's the second one I made. I made a simple, like a nice, black, and this is like a dark red. Yeah, I wanted to go with like a dark red look. I had this in my stash. I haven't used it before, and I wanted to see how it looked, and it looks really cool. It looks really good, I have to admit it. That one fits a little better, but I think I'm going to make it a little smaller, personally. Because I actually want to see if it fit my fiance's head, because he has a bigger head than me, and it doesn't fit his head either. So I might still keep it just in case for measurement purposes, so I can measure people. I'll be like, here, try this on, and that determines whether I need to stick to that size or make it smaller. But I have a feeling that I'm going to be making hats for everybody this year, so I already made them cat beanies, so now I'm going to be making them regular ribbed beanies because I just like making them. They're really cool. If you want me to make a video on this, let me know. I will, because it's honestly another simple pattern. It's just the cinching up top, I feel like, kind of throws everybody off. And also just the measurement part definitely throws people off, because how I kind of determine measuring is like, okay, if this chaining this much is too much, chain bigger, chain less. And determining how many rows to do. If you can't really wrap it, actually that's not a good it's not a good interpretation because you're folding them in half because of the colors. So it's like, the ribbed beanie is honestly, it's like simple to make, but it's hard at the same time. I literally don't know how to explain it. I don't know, but I'm making another one, so that one will be in my what I crocheted in October video, so can't wait. I made these two like the beginning of October, like literally like 2 days in, but I wanted to include it in my September because I didn't make that much, unfortunately. So only because school started, I'm still trying to figure out where my schedule that I am studying, crocheting, and just managing, because it's rough. I'm not gonna lie. So anyway, this is what I made. I feel like I didn't make that much, but they were small projects, so at least I did something to keep my mind off of school and life in general. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!